Hi guys. So we're going to try this. Some of the other teachers are doing this, and I thought this might be a good way just to go through everything, make sure that you know what it is you are supposed to be doing. So this is kind of like a week in review. It's going to be a little bit different for fifth and sixth period as it is for first and seventh, but every single day you should be coming to Google Classroom for math, and you should be clicking on your class. So if this is actually might even be easier if you click on the classwork tab, it has every single day and every single thing that you're supposed to do. You know, I can't sit still, so I'm going to be like moving around all over the place. Anyways, on Monday, you needed to, if you go into this and click view material, on Monday, first and seventh period should have completed a warm up. If you have not done that, run in and look at that right now. It's super simple. It'll be super quick. So get that done and get it turned in. It's loading, and you know how that goes. Everything takes forever. So these are your answers, and you would just submit those. And then your air review packet, which is your first four and number systems. NS at the top right here stands for number systems. So number systems 1 through 4. This is all your fractions, decimals, and greatest common factor, least common multiple. And so that is the packet you worked on first. So that was Monday. Unless you were in sixth period, because sixth period on Monday had to take a test. So sixth period, we don't even need to talk about it. Every single one of you turned it in. Yay. Awesome sixth period. Go. You win the prize for Monday. So we don't even need to talk about that. On Tuesday, first and seventh period, Tuesday, I'm going into classwork, first and seventh period and sixth period also needed to do the Tuesday warm-up, which was finding numbers that are equivalent. So if you haven't done that, hop on there, do it really quick. It's pretty quick, like I said. And then you had your air review packet. You were to finish that. Also included are some videos. On fifth period on Tuesday, you took your test. So if you did not finish your test or did not take your test or did not submit your test, you need to do so fifth period. On Wednesday, we're all on the same page finally. So let's take a look at what you had to do on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, let's view the assignment. You'll notice on Wednesday, it said, let's go into the main screen. Okay, so this is Thursday. Here's Wednesday. So on Wednesday, if you clicked on this assignment, this is what it says. It says, watch the answer videos for your Monday and Tuesday warm-up. So there's a Monday warm-up answer video and a Tuesday warm-up answer video that go to YouTube. And then you were supposed to go click into this air review, NS 1 through 4 answers, and you were going to take your packet that you did on Monday, and you're just putting all your answers in. You're not showing any work, you're just putting all your answers in, and then you're done. And submitting that. And then your new packet came. So your new packet is your number systems from 5 through 8. This is all our integers, our positive and negative numbers, and plotting numbers on a number line, and our rational numbers, and all of that good stuff. You may be getting a cat photo bomb in a second, just so you know. And here are some videos that I chose to kind of help you with that. Second, here he is. Do you see him? He's in the corner of the screen. He thinks this is fun. Hi. Hi. That's Declan. Declan had to say hello. Okay, so let's go back to the stream and let's look at Thursday's things to do. He's all distracting me. Okay, so anyways, Thursday. Two things you had to do on Thursday. First of all is our Thursday warm-up. So if you click into our Thursday warm-up, it was nice and quick. See his tail? And you had to use the distributive property or any other method to see if you could figure out which of these were correct. And you had to submit that. And then you still had to continue working on your air review packets with your videos. The other thing that you had to do on Thursday was your Thursday check-in. And so this is a YouTube video of me talking to you, and then you had some questions to answer, and they're right here. What would you be interested in a class chat, or would you like or dislike, what do you like or dislike about online learning? And you needed to submit that. So that is your Thursday. So let's look at tomorrow. Or today, because it's Friday and you're looking at this. So you should, number one, on Friday, watch your weekend review video. That's this one that you're watching right now. And then the same thing we did the other day. You are going to go into a Google form. And this is what it's going to look like. Actually, let me pull it up. Here's what it looks like as you would see it. So you're going to put in the answers for your packet that you worked on Wednesday and Thursday. And I'm previewing it, so this is what it should look like when you pull it up. And you're just going to put in all of your answers. Okay? If you have questions or run into problems, you're just going to email me or let me know or comment or whatnot. Okay? And then let's go back. You are going to go to Freckle and do your 2 fact practices. No assignments, just your 2 fact practices. So when I check Freckle Friday night, I should see that you all have gone on and done 2 fact practices. And then finally, there is a Kahoot challenge. So we are going to do a Kahoot challenge, and it is on rounding decimals, and I will give you the class pin. You're going to click the class pin, and you can play it anytime you want on your own time. Basically, you're trying to beat each other without actually playing at the exact same time. So you can play one time, only one time, because there's only so many plays that you're allowed to play, and I don't want somebody to play 10 times, which means somebody else can't play at all. So by Sunday night at 8 o'clock, you should play this Kahoot game. You can play it on your phone, you can play it on your computer, it doesn't matter, but go ahead and play it. And then I will get the report and I'll share the podium on Monday. We'll see who won. And just so you know, I'm playing too, so don't you worry, I'm gonna try to beat you. See if you can beat me. And the most important thing out of all of this is take your weekend to relax. I will not be expecting you to do any work on the weekend. I do want you to get your work done that you had during this week, but I don't want you to do any work on the weekend. I personally am going to be reading and watching Netflix. That's my plan for the weekend. And you should be doing the same thing. Relaxing, spending time with your family, getting outside into your yard if you can, enjoying just being off, because Monday we're going to start again. And every Monday, every day, I'm going to do one of these videos, a quick one, not as long as this one, just to let you know my expectations for the day. And we're going to just keep pushing through until they tell us that we are either off or going back. Okay? So I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Email if you need to, comment if you need to, whatever. Remember, I'm here, and that's what we're here for. We're all in this together, okay? All right. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.